Hello dear students, we have heard about all people and the problems of all age. And also we have heard about the teaching of respecting elders. Dear students, how many of you have been told in the family or in the society about to respect elders? Today we will study a lesson on similar topic from Moral Science, Lesson 10, Respect Your Elders. Dear students, this lesson is about an old man who lived with his son, daughter-in-law, and a 7-year-old granddaughter. The whole family used to have dinner together on the dining table every night. The old man was very weak. He was about 90 years old. Since he was very old and weak, his hands used to tremble and his eyesight was poor or his vision was low, and he used to scatter his food on the table every day while eating. Unfortunately, one day, what had happened is that the glass tumbler fell down from the weak and trembling hands of the old man and broke it into pieces. It was very bad that the son and the daughter-in-law of the old man screamed at him. They said, "Oh, Daddy, you are so untidy and clumsy." It was very bad that the couple called the old man so untidy and clumsy. After that, one day, the daughter-in-law of the old man said to her husband that he should make an arrangement for his or their weak and old father, as she did not have money to buy new tumblers and dining seats daily. Then an idea flashed or came into their mind. The idea was that they thought of arranging a small table at the corner of a separate room where the old man would eat alone. So finally, they gave their old father an old and torn seat, and also they gave wooden tumbler as it would not break even if it fall. Now the young intelligent granddaughter kept watching his poor grandfather taking food in isolation or alone for many days. And one day, in the evening, before the dinner time, the girl's father noticed carefully that his young daughter was busy working with a piece of wood. So her father asked her what she was doing. The young girl replied that it was a special gift for him or for his father and mother, that she has made some wooden bowls to have food. When they both too will be very old like her grandfather. The young girl's father and mother were shocked and surprised, and they could not utter a single word. But they do realize their mistakes, and they were flooded with tears as they feel guilty. They both felt heartily very bad that they had never shown regard and respect for their old father. After realizing their mistake, they went to the old man and with humble they asked forgiveness, and they held his hand and guided him back to their family table or dining table. Now the son and daughter-in-law had changed. They started loving their old father, and they did not utter a word to the old father whenever he split food or broke a tumbler. So finally, the little child or the young girl had taught her parents how they should or we should give regard and respect to our elders. So dear students, through the chapter we have learned that we should respect our elders and we should not neglect them due to their old age. And also we should consider that serving our old parents or grandparents is a great opportunity and blessings from God Almighty. That's all for today's class. Hope you understood the story and the lesson being expressed. Thank you.